With the Drone Enterprise Asset Management solution, you can have a preventative maintenance program where if you spot a problem, you can save tens of thousands of dollars down the road. When we have thousands of properties with roofs and we have tennis bubbles and different things like that, those things need to be inspected on a regular basis.
If you have infrastructure and you want to inspect it, we can fly and give you video or give you a still shot. Basically, EAM and DINGS brings all that together into one screen or several screens so you can make your assessment quickly.
We pay millions of dollars a year in injuries. So if we can eliminate people having to get on ladders to do inspections, if we could even reduce that just 50%, that would be saving us millions of dollars.
And so now we can simply take the drone video and the drone still frames and mate that with their existing software. It's pretty exciting.
When you get a drone, you think you're going to use it for maybe one or two or different 3 applications, but you end up finding new applications to use it for daily, weekly.